Hello, good morning, my beautiful people. Welcome back to Positive Channel. If you're a new subscriber, please subscribe to my YouTube channel when I upload every other week. Today I'm going to be doing a DIY making a heart fan using this 2 construction paper, and this will be my last topic until I find more. I know you guys want like fun and interesting videos. I know my videos are getting boring, but I'm gonna try my best to see if I can find something. I know you guys like fun and interesting. So let's do this. And if you watch this video and you like it, I will appreciate it as well. And if you're not interested and you're watching it, I will still appreciate you. So let's get right into the video, okay? Alright, so let's draw our heart fan. So honestly, I made a heart fan, okay? So I want to just talk to you guys and just be aware of something. So we're doing a DIY drawing a heart fan, okay? So I want to just talk to you guys, just a little kind of a talk, okay? For the last couple of days, I've been watching YouTube, like they're talking about something about small creators, and you guys know I am a small creator. And I just wanted to just put it out there as a small creator. Me doing YouTube almost 5 years. And I see a huge, maybe I see a huge difference, or I don't see a huge difference. Okay? So to a point, I started to think, and I'm like, you know what? Like maybe like this YouTube thing is not for me, or like something that's not showing no progress of what I'm doing, right? And I think of it in a way like being on YouTube is just to have fun and entertaining and make everyone laugh, right? Because this is what we do on this platform. And I know a lot of us as content creators, we have to try our best to give the videos that the people want to watch, which I try my best to do. Maybe you're a content creator and you're trying to do that too. But then again, I started to realize, and I say to myself, like, you know, as content creators, we gotta just really give videos that people want to watch, because, you know, sometimes you might look at it and you'll be thinking like, oh, well, you know, I think I'm gonna just do blah, 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 and then just get everything over with, right? So I started to think, and I say, you know what, like, this content thing is like, you know, I know I'm still small, and I know my videos might not be as fun and interesting to watch, right? But then again, I started to think, and I said, you know, I'm just gonna just try and just do whatever I want, because I know some of you guys understand, like, I am trying my best to give y'all the video, and some of you guys were like telling me like how I'm passionate in it, because that's what I do. You know, I do show interest. I'm very consistent when it comes to my posting. So I feel that doing a video is important to y'all, right? And another thing, why is it so important to be a content creator? I don't look at it like, oh, my vlogs has to be like this, or my vlogs has to be like that. You just want to make sure that you're giving the videos that people want. And like, you know, a lot of people want to just see what type of videos you are, and how you do your filming style, your editing style, and how to like put something down. But to me, I feel like there's so much things we can do as a content creator, right? So if you are a type of person that likes to do, for example, if you love fashion videos, then do fashion videos. If you like to do, for example, you guys are into ASMR vlogs. I know you guys want me to do those type of videos, right? And I'll try to find something that you guys are interested in, okay? I know you guys might like DIY, maybe not as much, but I want to give videos for everybody to watch. Not because it's just me and I'm thinking like, okay, I'm doing this for certain people and I'm not giving the videos that they want now. I want you guys to get it too, and I want you guys to feel like, oh, I'm not giving you vlogs that are not fun and interesting. Now, I want to give y'all vlogs that are fun and interesting. Because this is what we do as a content creator, right? It's to give you guys vlogs that are fun and entertaining, and you guys can use the time to watch me. But don't just look at it in a way say, oh, because I'm giving you videos, the thing say, oh, she's not giving us the content that we want to watch, right? And that's okay, right? Like, because sometimes I gotta be aware of what you guys are saying too, right? I don't want you guys to be rude on my platform and disrespecting. I'm coloring my heart now, guys. I should have said, but yeah, I want to give y'all content that you guys love and you guys are enjoying. I'm not trying to give you videos that are not fun and interesting, you know. But yeah, I just wanted to just say that because I feel that you guys want fun video, and I get that, you know. I know you guys want fun videos, you know. Yeah. Okay, guys, I colored it. I'm just gonna fix the outline of it now. But yeah, guys, the point is that I just wanted to say that to let y'all know that I don't want y'all to think that my videos are boring and then you don't end up not watching me. But you know what? I just want you guys to understand, as a content creator, if you do anything that you love, that is all that matters to me. And I feel like videos that I've done back in the day, like even though I didn't have them, I wish I had them. I feel like whatever I do, I just leave it and I try, because that is what we do as a content creator. You know, we do and we try. That is what it means as a content creator. So yeah, I forgot to color this side, guys. So let me know what you guys think so far about my videos. If you like them, if you hate them, that's cool with me. I don't really care. But nah, honestly, I'm just being on my own mind right now. I don't want you guys to think I'm boring you guys. I don't like to bore you guys when it comes to my content, because I know you guys hate when I give y'all boring videos. But I am trying my best. You know, I'm the only one who does these videos every day. You know, I'm very, very sorry, guys. If I'm doing something that's really boring, I'm sorry. Okay, and I don't want you guys to disappoint me, and I don't want you to get disappointed by me. You know, that's because I'm not giving y'all vlogs that are fun and interesting. Okay, so I'm gonna show you my heart fan in a minute. I just wanted to color it, and bam. Okay, all right, I'm done. Oh. All right, guys. So I want to show you my DIY heart fan. Okay, so this is my DIY heart fan. I could have put more tape here, but it's all good. DIY